This is where I am, and this is where I'm going. This is my location, and this is my destination. The journey hasn't been easy because the government hasn't built good roads. The government doesn't provide us with textbooks, but like here in my school, in some subjects, you don't have textbooks. And on the other side, the shortage of teachers. The government doesn't provide us with teachers, so we are struggling through that. And even sometimes there is a teacher, but he or she is not in the class, so it's a bit hard for us. But it's not only the government that makes this journey hard. My friends are always trying to distract me from my studies. My friends, whenever like I'm saying to them I'm going to study, they'll be like, I'm a coconut, or say bad things that will make me feel bad. And maybe sometimes I'll try to just fit in with them, but I've been down that road and it's a dead end. Now, I'm the only one left on this road. The reason I'm focusing on my education is because I want to be something one day, and then if you want to be something, that thing won't just happen. You must work hard for it. But I have people who are helping me along. With my education, I can say my parents are helping me, but my father sometimes is monitoring me with my books, and even some of my friends. We have a study group, and then Upstart also helping me by extra classes. And recently I've joined Sunday class on 7 days school. So I can say like the support I get from them make me to be focused on my school. I've come so far and I just have one small piece of road to cross over, and I hope I'll get to the other side.